In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix NBA 2K26 lag on my PS5. So what I had to do first is to go into settings right here, as you can see, and then I went into network right here, and then I actually went into settings and set up internet connection. And now in here, what you need to do is to connect to your specific Wi-Fi here, and then click on your options button here, as you can see. Click on advanced settings. And now you're just going to actually scroll down and set the DNS settings to manual here instead. And then primary DNS should be 1.1.1.1 as you can see, and the secondary DNS 1.0.0.1, and then click on OK. And now just wait for it to re-establish connection here. It shouldn't take that long. But yeah, as you can see now, when it's done, we can go back here and then click on users and accounts here, as you can see. And now in here, you're just going to scroll down, click on other and click on restore licenses. Now in here, you're just going to select all the games in here and then click on restore. And now when you have done so, then what you need to do after that is to just go to system right here as well and check your system software update and settings right here. And make sure that this one is up to date. And if it's not, you can update right here using internet. So try this and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.